Exercise 50. The box plot above shows the distribution of test scores for a class of students. What is the range of the test scores? We should know that regarding the SAT at least, the box and whiskers plot can give us information on three things. One is the set's lowest value, it's the minimum, which in this case is 18. The other is the set's maximum value, which in this case is 42. And the third one is the set's median value. Now, we know therefore that the minimum is 18, the maximum is 42, and median is 30. Here we need to find the range, which is defined as the difference between max and min. But, like I said before, this is 42 minus 18, which means that the right answer for this question would have been 24, which is B.